Good day traders. In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief analysis on XLM. What XLM is going to do in the next coming days and how you should position yourself if you want to buy this very coin. So XLM, watch the video till the end. A good analysis and my own directional bias on XLM. So remember this Remit Trade Academy. Ensure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and turn on the notification bell. Let's continue. This Binance, if I put my chart on full screen, so taking a deep look at XLM, here's my chart here, and you see I'm on the 1 day chart. So the first analysis I am looking out for on this very chart is if you look at the market, how Stellar Lumen have moved, that's XLM USDT pair, how it has moved in the previous months and days and weeks here. So if you look at the former price action, you see this market move, it retraced back down, another impulsive move, retrace, another impulsive move. So if we take this, there's at this point market move up and then it comes back right down here at this point, then we see market move up again. I'm just doing a pure price action analysis without indicator, pure price action analysis without indicator. So you see this, and then the last thing we see here is from here market move right up to this point, and now we've seen this correction again. Now if you look at it, when the market is correcting, if you look at if we use the measurement tool and we measure the length from here to this point, you see this is about 213%. Now 230%, if you look at the way it retraced, now the way it retraced, if you look at the way it retraced, you see something very important. I want to show you that here right now. You see here it retraced about 44% of the original move. Very important. So this is just about say 20 to 25% retracement, 20 to 25% retracement on this very impulsive move. Now after then we see the market move right up. So you see the market move right up here. We see the market move from here to this area. This about 154%. Then the retracement. So if you look at the retracement, I want to show you something very important. Just follow me. If you look at the retracement is just from here to this point. So you're looking at this point. So we're looking at where the body of the candle stopped, which is about 37%. So if you look at the place you have the week, where you have the week, we have 48%. Now 48% of this move down for correction. So the market correct 48% after it moved 157%. Now if you look at this, correction from here to this point, this about 44% or 45% thereabout correction. This is about 48% correction. Now what does that tell you? What does that tell us as a trader? Remember, market was moving up, retrace 45%. It moved up again about 157%, retrace again 48%. What does it tell us as a trader? Does it tell you that the retracements have ended, or it's still going to go down? And if it's going to go down, what are the points you are looking out for to enter a trade on XLM? It's very simple. Now the first point of entry is this point. Now if you see a bullish close, so what we are looking out for here is two things. If we are to enter at this point, I want to see a bullish close. I've already given a signal in my VIP group. If you look at it here, I've already given a signal, and it's a pending order anyway. So we have VIP group here. You see this very trade. You see this very trade. I've already given it, and it's a pending order trade for a specific target and location on XLM. And then I also give this trade right here for long time holding. See, I also give this one dodo, long time holding, good time to enter the market. If you look at the chart also, you will see that it's a good time to begin to accumulate some dodo as well. Now we're not talking about dodo in this video. So XLM, let's go back. So at this point, I am looking out for a bullish close, either a bullish close that will give me a bullish engulfing pattern, or if the market drops, which is the signal I give in my VIP signal group, if it drops, I'm looking out for this level. This is a level. This was a very strong demand area. If you know what demand area is in trading, then you should know what I'm talking about. Then you have this other area. This was a very key support level. Then at this point, this is the 2 points I'm expecting the market to go down. There's a least point it should go down to, according to my own directional bias, before stellar lumen should go up. As if I see a bullish engulfing pattern here, then it's the right time to begin to accumulate stellar lumen. That is the right time to enter the market without hesitation. Without hesitation. Number one, I've seen the market move up, come down, retrace. This retracement was about 44%. This retracement is about 48%. What does it tell you? It tells you that it's almost the same. It's almost the same retracement. That means sellers are tired and buyers are going to take control soon of the market. Now, not only that, if you look at momentum trading, market goes down on this very leg. And then if you see the market go down here, okay, let me remove all the. Now, if you look at momentum trading, market goes down to this point. We see a retracement. Market retrace. This retracement was about 60% retracement. Market comes down again. Now, since the market come down and retrace back up to this point, the market have not created a new low. So market come down will not create a new low. It means sellers could not move the market down anymore. It move up again, could not create a high than this high. It moved down, could not create a low. We are looking at this very low, this very low, this very low. So it not create a low. That means there is no much sellers to move stellar USDT market down at the moment. So what we are looking out for to trigger this position, and I want you to also enter this trade. If you see a bullish close, remember I'm looking at D1, this D1 chart. If you see a bullish close here, that is a bullish engulfing pattern, it's the right time to begin to buy. Else, if you do not see a bullish close, you can also still wait. You can see another momentum bullish candle. It's also the right time to buy. But if you see the market move down to this point, this is another point you should look out for. What you should expect if the market continues to the downside is market hit here, and if it does not hit here, you are looking at this level. So if the market hit this level, this is an absolute good point to buy as well. The signal I give in the VIP signal group is at this very point. So I'm looking at this very point to hold the market, and it's gonna shoot right up. So if this hold the market here, then I'm looking at this was a significant resistance level. I'm looking at it to touch the resistance level. There should be a reaction on the resistance. Then after then, I should see the market come back down, because resistance have to obey, else it's going to break it. So the next move that is coming in should break the resistance level to the upside. So once you see this formation, know that stellar is going to fly to the upside. The first analysis is this retracement is almost the same with this retracement in terms of measurement in the percentage. So this move down about 44%, while this moved down about 48%, and then we see this kind of movement, which indicates that the market is going to go up. So this is the right time to begin to accumulate stellar lumen. Now, another factors of confluence that you have to look out for. If you use indicator, I really trade with indicator. If you use indicator, you can look at the MACD. If you look at what's happening on the MACD, so if you look at the MACD, let me just put some parameter on the MACD here. So if you look at the MACD here, you see the MACD signal line, this is a signal line, and the MACD line, they are already down here, and you see a reduction in momentum. The MACD histogram, there was a reduction in the momentum of the histogram as the market was consolidating around this area. So you see the MACD signal line around this area. So we want to see the blue line cross over the red line, and then the MACD should start to form on the positive side of the MACD, that is from the 0% mark upward. The positive side of the MACD, I said from the 0% mark upward is the positive side of the MACD. That why from 0% down is the negative side of the MACD. So we want to see the blue line cross over the red line, and then the MACD histogram should start formation on the positive side of the MACD. Now, what is very important here is that we see a reduction in momentum as the market was consolidating around this area, which means sellers are no longer interested in moving the markets right down. So this is one of the things you have to look out for to enter these very positions. Very important. Number one, I talk about the percentage, and number two, I talk about the momentum trading, and number three, I'm also looking out for the MACD. So if you use the MACD, it's also enough sign for you to enter the market with this very analysis. That is after the blue line cross over the red line and you see the histogram start formation on the positive side of the MACD. Very important. Now the next thing you have to do is to trigger your position, and where will your stop loss be? Like we always say in our academy, when you place a position, let's say for example you are taking this position here. Now your stop loss should not be immediately here. Your stop loss should be the previous support, that is not the immediate support, the previous support. So your stop loss should be around this zone. All right, so that it can give your trade enough room to breathe, and then your take profit target, you can use your Fibonacci levels to specifically the Fibonacci extension level to know your profit target. So with this, XLM is going to move to the upside. Number one, I talk about the retracement. It moved up, it retraced almost the same percent as it retraced here as well. So the retracement here and this one here was almost the same. I talk about momentum trading and also look at the MACD. Now the last one is the bullish close. The bullish close, if you see a bullish close here, then it's also the right time to buy XLM. So another thing you have to understand is we have already taken a position which is a limit order in our VIP signal group. So if you want to join the VIP signal group, check in the description below and contact me immediately to join the VIP signal group for just a small fee. Just a small fee. It's not a free group. Okay, so that is how you can position yourself on this very pair, XLM USDT pair. If you've not subscribed to the channel, ensure you do that. And if you want a one-on-one mentorship in cryptocurrency trading, check in the description below. You will see a WhatsApp contact. Also contact us as well. So if you have any question on this very analysis, you can also contact me as well for just a free guide. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.